In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it and hit OK in welcome pop-up. Now tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And finally go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then, to edit your shortcuts, hit this pen at the top right corner. Click on plus at the top left one. Scroll all the way down and click on Caffeine shortcut to add it to your currently used ones. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Select Done again. And finally, tap on your shortcut to activate it. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, click on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!